Hello again. This video is to help you with Algebra 2, Semester 2, Final Exam Review, problem number 19. The learning target, I can simplify cube roots. So in this problem, you have the cube root of 162, a to the 13th, b to the 9th. Now, this year, you're supposed to have been exposed to the concept that you can take a radical sign and it has an index n, and if it has a term on the inside, that you can write this as an exponential term. So this would be an exponential term, and this would be a radical term. So it's a radical when we use the radical symbol, which you're used to calling that the square root symbol. But now we have cube roots, fourth roots, fifth roots, nth roots. You could have 10th roots. Now, because this is a cube root, this means that we're going to look for the occurrence of numbers or variables that happen in pairs of 3. So right here, just looking at the 3, you can see that there's 4 3s. Well, 3 of those 3s are going to pop out. So we're going to go ahead and have a 3 pop out. Now, the 2 and the 3 that are left over, they're going to stay inside. So we're going to have a 2 times a 3 inside. Now, instead of taking a to the 13th and writing that 3 times to see how many a's are going to come out. There's 12 a's and one more makes 13. So this tells us 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 a's are going to come out, but 1 a is going to be left inside. Instead of doing it this way, what we can understand as mathematicians is that this is going to be 13 divided by 3. That's using this definition or this rule for exponents that nth root of x to the m equals x over mn. Now, what happens is when you divide 13 by 3, you'll get 4 with the remainder of 1. So that's kind of how we know that the answer would be a to the 4th with an a left over when it's a cube root. We have to be careful not to lose our indexes when we're dealing with radicals that are not square roots. Now, b to the 9th. If we have b to the 9th, and we're going to take the cube root of that, that's going to be b to the 9 over 3, which is going to equal b to the 3rd. So that means we're going to have a b to the 3rd outside. So, to simplify this cube root, our final answer will equal 3a to the 4th, b to the 3rd, cube root of 6a. If you need more practice with this, please go see your teacher so that they can create a worksheet or give you guidance as to where to find this on Khan Academy or perhaps CK12 or some other online resource like Kuta Math that can generate some practice problems for you to practice this, get immediate results. Thanks for listening. Hope you found this helpful so that you can better understand the learning target on how to simplify radical expressions. In this case, it was a cube root.